Is F. Scott Fitzgerald's The Great Gatsby a tragic cautionary tale about the American dream, or just an excuse for an epic, glitter-filled party? Today, we analyze the written word versus the visual wow. Fitzgerald wrote a lean, cynical funeral for the American dream, but director Baz Luhrmann turned that funeral into a rave. Luhrmann falls in love with the high-fashion surfaces the book was busy criticizing. It's an internal story versus an external spectacle. The key is Nick. On the page, he is complex, cynical, and often hypocritical. He judges the wealthy even as he participates. The 2013 film often reduces Nick to a passive spectator, just a bewildered passenger on Gatsby's roller coaster. Luhrmann's movie uses intense visuals and modern hip-hop to replicate the shock of the jazz age. It's vibrant and chaotic. The book, however, lives in the quiet longing found in the pulsing silence of that green light across the water. The film crowns Gatsby a romantic hero. The book exposes him as a desperate man chasing a ghost. One is a haunting poem on the price of hope. The other, a $100 million music video about excess. Both are beautiful, but they aren't the same story. We are all boats against the current. Before you go, if you had Gatsby's wealth, what is the first thing you'd buy? Let me know in the comments.